Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can easily create linear dimensions by selecting objects. Let's take a look at the linear dimension feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, then the Dimension menu appears, and click on Linear Dimension. Press Enter on the keyboard to initiate object selection. After selecting an object and moving the mouse, horizontal-vertical dimensions are previewed depending on the direction. Aligned dimensions are also possible for inclined objects, as shown on the screen. Click at the desired point to complete the dimension entry. We have created linear dimensions using the utility feature in CADian CAD. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.